Okay, here we go. This is my first run down Double D since I crashed a month ago. I thought it was a busted collarbone. Turned out to be a ripped rotator cuff. It's good enough to ride, but still a little tender. Getting lots of good physio, good healthcare support, and lots of daily exercises, but I was ready to ride again. I think. Let's see. A little bit of hop here. Feels okay. Everything's a little bit of a pain check. Just gonna take it easy off this. Oh, it feels good to be riding again. Oh, pain's not too bad. Go slow. Feeling pretty good. Check for the dogs. Crashed here before, lots of braking. Oh, I missed this trail. Hard to be injured. Get my confidence back up. Trail conditions are just perfect today. Packed in, warm, overcast. Perfect. Trail Forks link in the description if I get that far. Pipa, Mount Tzouhalem, traditional territories of the Quw'utsun people and ceded lands. Oh, this feels great. Okay, I'm not sure the limits of this rotator cuff tear are. Let's see. Pretty good so far. Plug a little product called BioFreeze. I've been using that on my shoulder every day. It cools things off without having to carry a nice pack around. Oh, that brake. Oh, that feels good. Just gonna keep going here, I think. Yeah. Stamina's not quite what it was, but that's okay. Oh, I should have just given that a little go, but oh well. These are all just gonna be ride-overs. Getting injured, taking it easy on recovery. I'm just grateful to be out here. I was cautioned that it could take 6 to 12 months to heal this. I was worried I wasn't gonna be able to ride this whole time. Oh. But taking lots of turmeric, fish oils, work on the inflammation. And this feels great for the spirit. Oh, a little bit of air, that feels good too. Ooh, feels good. Be careful not to overdo it. Oh, feels good too. Okay. Yeah. The whole summer riding plan. Oh. I want to wreck myself badly. Oh yeah. I'm not going to clear those for a while. Again. Oh. Take it easy through here. I just feel like I'm going to crash down here. Get a bit tired. A bit rooty right there. Oh man. God, that was great. Back out of Kaspa.